Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a scooter with a girl. First, I'm drawing the Vespa scooter. I'm drawing the wheels. It's an easy scooter drawing. It's going to be a colorful scooter. Now I'm drawing the girl. She is wearing a helmet. It's very important to wear a helmet while riding a scooter. Her hair is moving with the wind. And I'm drawing her body. She is riding the scooter. Now, coloring time. Light green. Yellow. Cream. I love Vespa scooters. Brown. Purple. Pink. Brown, red, yellow, blue, light green, blue. Pink, light green, red, orange, green, yellow, red, orange, purple, red. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.